Welcome back to my channel, your go-to platform for all you must know about signing up into online platform. So in today's video, you can see is a service that has paid me $80. So I'll be walking you through the step by step on how I was able to fill the service and what you get as a compensation fee. So this is a survey. The link will be in my description. Alright, so I was beginning to answer the question step by step accordingly. So you can see the survey is legit, it's the legit survey, okay. Please, I don't know, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, like, and also share my videos, okay. And if you are interested in service, like all those surveys, all those big organizations, they are always in need of people that will take survey, will partake in survey. Most of those surveys are done in the USA, some are in the UK, all those top tier countries, okay. If you are interested in those surveys, kindly comment on this video and make sure to follow my profile, okay. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, and you can also recommend my videos to your friends or those that are in need of it, okay. So that is what I do. Those top companies, all those big organizations, sometimes they ask me to refer more patients to them. Most of them have had suffered with those infections in the past. Some are still suffering from some of those infections, so I refer those patients to them. They carry out those surveys and they get a compensation fee, which I said $80. So if you don't have money and you're in need of passive income, okay, you can just follow me on my channel, and you can also comment on the videos, okay, so that I'll be bringing more updates concerning such surveys. If you're also interested in exploring more, you can click the link to join my Telegram group, where I teach people and I also refer patients to those organizations where they work by filling surveys, and when they are done they get paid for it, okay. So all those surveys are available for top tier countries like USA, Canada, UK, so all those countries. But if you're not in a recommended country, you can also DM me, or you can also follow me. Those there are some ways in which you can pass, you can maneuver and fill out those surveys, okay. Those surveys, there are some platforms that offers internationally, while some platforms selected some number of countries. So if you are interested, just let me know, okay. Comment below and I will choose you. All right, so it's a survey that I'm still filling, okay. So kindly stick to the rules. When filling all those surveys, it is assumed that all you have suffered from those infections, so it is expected of you to fill it with consistent responses, okay. With consistent responses, it's good you try, you do your best. It's not by you giving them fake responses, or you just, like, you understand. So make sure if you're filling those surveys, be giving them consistent responses, so that they know that no, truly this person suffered from this so infection, and due to that, after everything, you get a compensation fee, okay. So take note of that. I told you, if you love my channel, kindly hit on the subscribe button, like, comment, and also share my videos to those that might also be in need of it. Like I told you, if you are not also in those countries, if you do not belong to those countries that are recommended, there are still some ways that you can still use and fill out the surveys, okay. There are some pattern you can use and fill out the surveys. It's just to be interested and to follow up, okay. Make sure to like, subscribe, and also share my videos. All right, so you can see that I'm filling my last details. They asked me to put my first name, the last name, my email address, and my phone number, so I'm inputting it. So when you input those things, which is the last page, and you click on continue to submit it, when you submit it, you get a confirmation email, which asks you to schedule a meeting, to schedule a day in which you will have interview with them. It's through phone call, okay. You have interview with them. They interview you, asking you how the infection treated you, how you're able to cure it or diagnose it, all those things. All right, we'll see you in my next video.